Welcome to 183 Sunflower Street, where your dream home awaits in this highly sought after Woodcrest neighborhood in Thunder Bay.
This 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home has a lot of nice features and is perfect for families. Let's go check it out.
Step into this exceptionally large kitchen, complete with an open concept dining area, and check out this breakfast island with granite countertop. It is as functional as it is elegant.
And for your relaxation, this home offers 3 4-piece bathrooms on every level. That's 3 spa-like experiences on every floor.
Fully finished basement with 2 bedrooms, 1 full wash. You can enjoy, you can make lots of memories, not only with your family, but also with your friends. There is a fireplace to make it cozy. You can enjoy this time. Enjoy.
The exterior of the property is equally as impressive as the interior of the property. You have a fully fenced-in backyard, a 2-car attached garage, a nice lockstone driveway, and a home irrigation system that allows for optimal watering and easy convenience. So say goodbye to those dry patches.
This home is located in a family-friendly neighborhood, close to schools, parks, dining, and so much more.
This home has everything you need for comfortable family living in this prime location.
Make this Canadian dream home your home today.
Schedule your private viewing so that you can see all what this home has to offer.
All.